Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix Instagram no internet connection issue. If you are facing this issue constantly and you want to fix this, then this video is for you. First of all, open your control center from the top and make sure that your internet connection is working fine. Then go through your settings and hit on the general and make sure your system is up to date as well. Now, hit on the iPhone storage, scroll down a little bit and hit on the Instagram. Here, do Offload app and then hit on the Offload app again. Once you do that, if your problem is not solved still, then go back to the general page, hit on the transfer or reset iPhone and then reset all the network settings. This will surely solve your issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.